video, we're going to be doing a couple repairs on my K-Truck. It's had a hard starting issue, which went away mysteriously after I diagnosed it and purchased the fuel filter for it. But since I have the fuel filter and I don't know when it was changed, I'm going to change it anyway. Actually, I'm going to try to get my daughter to help me with that, so I can show her how to change a fuel filter on a K-Truck, which I'm sure is a useful skill that all teenage girls want to have. So that'll be exciting. All right, hey everybody, I'm out here at the K-Truck. I got a special guest with me today. Here she is. This is who's gonna be installing a new fuel filter on the K-Truck. Like I said in the intro, there was a bit of a slow start issue that miraculously fixed itself, but because I already bought the parts and I've got a teenager to put them in, we're gonna do it. So that's just perfect.
Okay.
All right, you're in focus now. Now the first order of business is safety glasses. There's gonna be fuel, and despite the fact that I wouldn't wear them,
okay,
we need young people to preserve those eyes. We also have some gloves.
Okay.
You want to introduce yourself?
I'm Harley. And I'm here to work on a K-Truck.
You've installed a lot of fuel filters before?
No.
So but you're still a professional?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm pro.
Okay, good. All right, so now that we're all kitted up, next step is getting underneath the truck and identifying the fuel filters. You wanna get down here with me?
Okay.
And behind this rail,
Okay.
you're gonna have to get under there.
Okay.
All right, so you see the thing stuck up underneath the rail?
This thing?
It's
This
right
like
now.
wire? Or this thing?
Nope. Oh, there it is.
Okay. This?
Yeah, you see that?
Yep.
Let me show it to everybody. Okay, there it is. That's the fuel filter. Pretty basic. It's just got two clips. You see the clips?
Yep, clips.
Okay. Now you're gonna need a tool to get those off, so let me get that for you.
So I'm guessing I have to pry this off somehow.
Yeah, so what you wanna do, let me get in here. Okay. So you see these two tabs?
Yeah, do I pull them together?
Yeah, you wanna squeeze those together.
Okay.
And then you just slide the thing over.
Okay.
All right, now you do that on the other side.
Oh gosh. Okay.
Got it?
Yep.
Now, this may take some work to do, but you pull that out. See how this is in this metal thing? You just pull it straight out. It'll unclip.
Oh, it's coming.
Yep.
There we go.
Okay,
Oh,
so
wow.
now you gotta work. Oh, actually, before we do that, we need to let the pressure the tanker. You're gonna go spray with a bunch of fuel. So let's do that. Got the gas tank here, gas cap. Flip the.
Oh. This?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now you gotta flip the metal cover for the lock.
Oh.
Flip that over. That's why I gave you the keys.
Oh.
And then stick the key in and turn it.
Okay.
And then you should be able to turn it.
I don't think I turned it the right way. I don't know though.
Yeah. Okay.
And then do I just pull?
Now you gotta turn the whole thing.
Oh.
Can you get it?
No, I can't.
Okay.
Two.
You can hear the pressure come out?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's very pressurized. That pressure would have blown a bunch of fuel out at you, which would have been really fun for your mom to wash. But that's about the extent of it. Okay, so now you want to work. Now you want to work those lines off.
The end?
Yeah, off the ends. You should be able to turn them and pull.
Okay.
Good. You might not want your whole body underneath there because that's still going to let some fuel go. Try to get off to the side of it. Yep. Otherwise, I promise you it will land right in your eye.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, so we had a bit of a fiasco here where she started to get the fuel filter off and then it started dumping fuel everywhere. So we had to put a vice grip up there. There she goes, got it off.
We got it. Yep.
Got it. Okay, I get up and get the new filter. All right, and here it is. The Wix 33002 quality filters since 1939. Open it up.
It's really
Should be
light.
the right filter. Compare that to the one we got.
Sure.
Make sure it looks the same. Oh, it's a lot bigger. Does that mean more filtering?
Yeah, this one's really gross.
That's pretty gross, yeah.
Okay.
Now, do the ends look the same? Make sure you take the rubber cap off this.
Yeah, I will.
So that we can tell if they're the same size. You just pull.
Oh, okay.
There you go. They're the same size? No.
This one's a little thicker, and this one's a little thicker. Hopefully it'll work.
Might not. We might be putting the old fuel filter back on. But anyway, let's try it out. Okay. That's what you get for trusting people that
No,
tell you what the
it looks
filter
like
says.
it'll fit.
Does it?
No, maybe. Well, which way does it go? Does it go this way?
Which way does it say the flow is?
This way?
Okay, yeah.
So does it.
Because the tank's back here
Okay.
and the engine's that way, so.
Gosh, no, I don't know if it'll fit. Oh. Okay, no. Because it's like not the right size.
Alright. I was able to get that to fit on the one side, so I'm going to try to get the more difficult side to fit. It's dripping a ton. Very drippy fuel.
There's a lot of fuel getting out.
No, man, I almost had it. This shouldn't be this hard. It normally isn't. Oh gosh. No, that's not gonna work. Well, maybe if I took this lip off. Just cut that off. That might work. I don't know.
That
I don't
lip
know.
is like what's holding it back.
I gotta do something. It's gotta be. At least worst case, we can always go back to the original one, right?
Yep. I just gotta hope that works.
Can't fit any worse. Yeah. Now we gotta get this other end. gotta get a small hose clamp. There. But I can see the fuel. Filter, so.
Yeah, let's see.
One of these.
Yeah, one of these or one of these, but probably one of these. Yeah, that looks right.
You can put it on?
Yep.
Okay. You just gotta open this up.
Okay.
Just to do that, you just take the thing.
Screwdriver.
Yeah, it's gonna be a bit of a fiddly mess because you have to unscrew it all the way and then open this up so you can slip it around. See what I mean?
Yeah.
Once
And then you
got
have
around,
to tighten it.
You're gonna push that back into there, and while you're holding it, you start turning this, and it'll
Okay.
grab the.
Tighten back up.
Yeah. If you can't get it, I'm here for you. Never will. Swap tubes. There you go. Oh, good. I smell like gasoline.
Here's some gas. Okay. Oh my.
The first step, you got to open it up. It should be.
Yeah.
You should be able to pull it apart right now. I had already.
Oh, you did?
Yes, you should be able to grab it. Pull it.
Oh, I need to undo the screw. There we go. Oh my.
The screw doesn't come all the way out. You just pull the metal band.
Oh, there we go. So then I just flip that on here, right? Okay. All tightened up, I think.
Is it working?
Yep, should be.
Need a shower. Your mom's not gonna let me come to bed tonight. Just make me sleep with the goats.
It's like gas.
The goats won't want me there either.
You're gonna want to wash your hat too.
Right, yeah. Which hat is it? That's one of my good ones. But
It'll be good again. It'll be just as good again once we wash.
okay, so that's done. Fiddly as it might have been. Now we just gotta tighten this cap back up.
Okay.
Take the key out.
Flip the switch.
Put the thing and try to turn it on. You know how to turn it on?
Right.
Make sure it's in neutral first.
Okay.
Just grab that shifter and just wiggle it back and forth. Nope, you just put it in gear. Yeah, yeah, just side to side. And then push in the far left pedal, that's the clutch.
Okay.
And the one next to it, that's the brake.
Okay.
Put the key in. Don't keep holding it. Oh, jeez. No, stop.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll edit that out. Magic of television. Okay.
Wow.
Oh, okay, yeah. No,
So I just like click.
you just turn it. See, it's there, it's on,
Yeah.
and then that's it.
Okay.
Once it's starting, it started right up, so it's real good. Okay, so we're gonna magic a television this. Okay,
Do I click those two?
push the clutch and the brake.
Clutch and the brakes.
Wiggle the shifter. Just always make sure it's in neutral or whatever.
Okay.
Now turn it on. So we got a result.
Yep.
I think it's even better. I think it did have a plugged up fuel filter. That fuel filter looked nasty. So we got it fixed. Thanks for hanging out with us.
more thing while I got you. I've been thinking about a video series or something, a couple videos maybe, where I teach my wife and my kid and maybe random people I run into on the street how to do basic maintenance, oil changes, radiator flush, brakes. Just because despite the fact that a lot of automotive YouTubers would have you believe that those things are flyover states, there's a lot of people out there don't know how to do it. Sure, there's a whole bunch of information out there, but more is better. Anyway, if that's something you'd like to see, leave a comment. I think I'll make it anyway probably and put it out there and see how y'all respond to it. But anyway, thanks for tuning in. Now I'm actually gonna go do something else.